This new viral niche of Reddit stories is the easiest to go viral on TikTok and make money from the TikTok creativity program, as others are already doing it. Here are some theme pages from TikTok which you can see for yourself and make an informed decision. People are already taking advantage of the TikTok creativity program and making a lot of money because TikTok provides millions of views in a very short period of time. You just need to stay consistent and take advantage of AI to create those videos, and I'm going to show you how. These Reddit story videos are extremely easy to make. All we need to do is to grab a story from Reddit website, but you can even create your own story using AI. And you can put a gameplay video in the background like this, but I think it is used by majority of these creators. So you can do something different like a talking photo video, which I am going to show you in a moment. Next, we need AI voiceover and captions or subtitles. Let's get started. If you want to use a Reddit story or grab a topic for inspiration, then go to Reddit website and in the search bar, access the Confessions subreddit. Now from the filters, click on top and then select all time to find the best stories on the website. This category is great for retention because people are naturally attracted to other people's confessions. Here you will find some interesting as well as depressing stories, as I can see that this subreddit is pretty intense. Now once you choose a story, simply take a screenshot by pressing the snipping tool key on your keyboard. Now press Ctrl-V on your keyboard to paste it into Microsoft Paint and then save it. I am going to use Dupdub AI platform because it provides all the AI tools to create my video from scratch. I already made detailed tutorials about this AI platform in these two videos. Make sure to check them out later. You can try this AI for free, and if you want to upgrade, make sure to use the link from video description along with the discount code to get an extra 15% off on the annual plan. So once you are on the Dupdub Studio dashboard, click on text-to-speech from the left sidebar, then click on New File button. This opens up the script writing and speech tools page, and you can put the same Reddit story title here to write your own script using AI, but I'm going to copy this story text from Reddit website and ask AI to rewrite it for me to make it a little bit different than the original text. For example, rewrite this Reddit story into unique and engaging content and then paste the story inside inverted commas. The Dupdub AI will rewrite it in just a few seconds. After that, you can select the option to make it shorter because we want to create short videos. And here is the shorter version of the story. You can still edit the text here in the editor and make changes to it. Now the next step is to create a voiceover. Simply click here on the More Voiceovers button to open up the Voice Profiles panel. There are lots of filters and styles to choose from, depending on what type of voice you would like, as well as multiple different languages for any type of content, and these voices are absolutely human-like.
During my high school days, I had a secret side hustle at the concession stand.
During my high school days, I had a secret side hustle at the concession stand.
During my high school days, I had a secret side hustle at the concession stand.
During my high school days, I had a secret side hustle at the concession stand.
During my high school days, I had a secret side hustle at the concession stand. Picture a humble fool.
But I am going to use this whispering profile because it suits the confession style video.
During my high school days, I had a secret side hustle at the concession stand.
Simply click on the profile from here and see the filters which come with it on the right side panel, as not all of the profiles have whispering enabled. Once selected, click on the Confirm button to apply. You can also adjust the speed and pitch of the voiceover by using these sliders. Now the next step is to export our voiceover by clicking on the Export button at the top right and export as MP3. Then click on Generate and Export. It will download the MP3 file to your device and will also save on the cloud. Now click on this arrow button at the top left of the page to go back. Now from the left sidebar, click on Talking Photo and then click on New Talking Photo. Click on Generate AI Avatar. Here you can give a prompt to define your avatar. Now click on Generate button. It will take just a few seconds and provide you with 4 different options to choose from. But you can always rewrite your prompt to refine the avatars. After selecting the avatar, click on the Next button, then click on Next again. Now click on Add an Audio button and select the VoiceOver MP3 file which you just downloaded previously. Once the file is uploaded, click on the Make Talking Photo button at the bottom. This will go into processing, and after a few seconds, you will see this ready label in green color. Now click on Edit button to open up the video editing panel. From here under the preview window, set the aspect ratio to 9:16. Click on the video in the timeline to select it, and set the transform mode to crop. Now click on the Media tab at the left sidebar, then click on My Media and click on the Upload button. Select the screenshot which we took earlier and import it. After that, click on the plus icon to add it to the project timeline. Now click on it to open the editing panel at the right side and adjust its size and position. also set its duration to 1 or 2 seconds at the start of the video. Now click on text from the left sidebar and then select the AI subtitles tab from the top. Under the transcribe subtitles, you can set a language to translate and generate your subtitles based on the audio. In my case, I'll select English because I want to match the language with the original audio. Then click on Convert button and confirm the action. This will create a text bar in the timeline panel. When you click on it to select it, you can access the text editing and styling panel at the right side. If you want to change the font or style, you can do so here. But now we have all the text in one element, so we can split it by copying and pasting it above the audio segments or sentences.
During my high school days, I had a secret side hustle at the concession stand. Picture a humble folding table where I peddled refreshing water, fizzy pop, and irresistible chips to the hungry masses. But here's the twist. Whenever a visiting team approached, I slyly bumped up the prices by a sneaky $1.
Once done, just click on the export button at the top right corner. You can keep these settings as shown, and I'll just change the code rate to high and then export the video. So this is how you can easily create Reddit story videos by using just one AI platform. If you don't have computer or laptop, you can also download their iOS and Android app to create your AI videos. Now just sign up for a fresh TikTok account and use it to watch other videos and perform some likes and few comments so that TikTok doesn't shadow ban your account. After 24 hours, upload 2 TikToks with relevant hashtags with a gap of 4 hours in between. Stay consistent and don't upload more than 2 TikToks per day. When you get 100K views and 10K followers, you can apply for TikTok monetization. If you want to learn more about Dupdub AI platform, here's a detailed tutorial about all of its AI features.